The pancreas is one of the most vital and, of course, less known organs. Many people do not know much about pancreatic problems such as pancreatitis or inflammation of the pancreas, or pancreatic cancer. For this reason, there is not sufficient information about this vital organ. The essential role of this small organ in digestion is to break down and convert food into nutrients in the body's cells. To help your pancreas function better, you can eat some natural foods. Wondering what the best foods to help your pancreas are? Stick around to the end because here is a list of the top 10 foods to have a healthy pancreas. Before we continue with the list, make sure to subscribe to Healthy Lab and turn on the notification bell to help us grow. Every subscriber is much appreciated. So, let's start. 10. Garlic. Garlic contains a compound called allicin. Garlic has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties as well as the ability to prevent pancreatic cancer. Garlic also includes other beneficial nutrients such as sulfur, arginine, oligosaccharides, flavonoids, and selenium, which have positive effects on pancreatic tissue. Garlic is also beneficial for the prevention and treatment of diabetes. This substance has antihypertensive and fat-reducing properties. Garlic helps lower blood sugar levels and boosts the pancreas to produce enough insulin to be stimulated with a standard antibiotic, providing better blood sugar control in people with type 2 diabetes. Regular consumption of garlic may help lower blood sugar. Eat 2 or 3 cloves of raw garlic daily on an empty stomach. 9. Probiotic yogurt. Probiotic yogurt helps replace and supply healthy bacteria in your gut. These bacteria are very important for a healthy digestive tract. Gastrointestinal health is essential for pancreatic health. Consumption of more yogurt is associated with a reduced risk of type 2 diabetes. In contrast, consumption of other dairy foods has little to do with the incidence of type 2 diabetes. The National Cancer Institute recommends that you consume 3 servings of non-fat yogurt containing active bacteria daily for the health of the digestive system and the improvement of the pancreas. Yogurt even reduces the overall risk of pancreatic cancer and helps repair damage to pancreatic tissue. 8. Spinach. Spinach is an excellent source of iron and B vitamins, both of which are nutrients needed by the pancreas to function correctly. When your body receives enough of these 2 nutrients, inflammation in the pancreas is less likely. Inflammation in the pancreas increases the risk of pancreatic cancer. In fact, spinach contains a powerful anti-cancer substance called monogalactosylglycerol, which can reduce the growth of cancer cells in the pancreas. Spinach is also good for controlling high glucose levels. Spinach extract is rich in flavonoids, which increase satiety and are associated with appropriate glucose and fat changes. 7. Turmeric. Turmeric is a popular spice used in daily cooking. It is also good for your pancreas. This plant has anti-cancer properties that help prevent many cancers, including pancreatic cancer. The combined curcumin in it is effective in identifying potential cancer cells and helping to kill these harmful cells without damaging healthy cells. A unique turmeric compound known as liposomal curcumin may be an alternative to chemotherapy in the treatment of deadly pancreatic cancers. Turmeric is also a potent anti-inflammatory that protects your pancreas by preventing inflammation of any kind. This spice is even helpful for controlling high blood sugar and preventing diabetes. Curcumin extract effectively reduces the number of people with diabetes who eventually develop type 2 diabetes and also improves overall cell function. Curcumin helps prevent and treat diabetes and related disorders. 6. Blueberries. Berries are suitable for your pancreas health, but blueberries are more effective. Blueberries are highly rich in antioxidants that can support the pancreas from oxidative stress caused by free radical damage. Berries can also reduce the risk of severe conditions such as pancreatic cancer. The combination of pterostilbene in berries kills cancer cells in the lung, stomach, pancreas, and breast. Blueberries also help lower blood sugar and are good for people with diabetes. Also, the anti-inflammatory properties of berries help reduce vascular damage to the pancreas caused by diabetes. Include fresh blueberries in your diet to keep your pancreas healthy. 5. Broccoli. Cruciferous vegetables, especially broccoli, are good for pancreatic health. Broccoli contains large amounts of sulfur-containing compounds that help detoxify several organs, including the pancreas. This, in turn, reduces the risk of pancreatitis and other forms of cancer. Broccoli is rich in apigenin, which supports pancreatic health. Studies show that oral apigenin in rats protects pancreatic tissue following experimental pancreatitis, thus, apigenin can potentially ameliorate pancreatic damage in humans. Broccoli even lowers bad cholesterol and oxidative stress, which dramatically affects pancreatic health. To enjoy the vital nutrients of broccoli, eat it raw or just steam it quickly. 4. Red grape. Another fruit that is good for having a healthy pancreas is red grapes. Red grapes are rich sources of a compound known as resveratrol, another powerful antioxidant that can protect pancreatic tissue from free radical damage. Red grapes help decrease the risk of pancreatitis or pancreatic cancer. In fact, resveratrol also causes cell death in pancreatic cancer cells. Resveratrol also avoids damage to blood vessels and reduces inflammation. Additionally, the polyphenols in red grapes improve carbohydrate metabolism in the body and glucose transport in cells. This regulates pancreatic insulin sensitivity. Resveratrol has antihypertensive effects by improving mitochondrial function and energy expenditure. However, further clinical studies are needed to determine the usefulness of resveratrol in the management of diabetes and its complications. 3. Sweet potato. Sweet potatoes are highly rich in beta-carotene, a potent antioxidant that supports pancreatic health. Eating sweet potatoes helps regulate pancreatic cells, which are responsible for producing insulin. In fact, it helps stabilize blood sugar by slowly releasing sugar into the bloodstream. Also, these potatoes have a lower blood sugar index and reduce the risk of diabetes. White-skinned sweet potatoes have a significant anti-diabetic effect and improve glucose abnormalities and fat metabolism by reducing insulin resistance. Just replace your white potatoes with healthy sweet potatoes to enjoy better pancreatic and digestive health. 2. Licorice. This ancient plant has been operated for thousands of years as herbal medicine and a sweet flavor for foods. It also helps pancreatic health. It has anti-inflammatory effects that can help lessen inflammation in the pancreas. Inflammation is one of the most significant causes of pancreatic cancer. Licorice root also has anti-diabetic properties. A substance called amorphreutin in this root helps lower blood sugar. Amorphrotins also reduce the risk of fatty liver and improve insulin resistance. Licorice may have potential therapeutic properties for diabetes due to its antioxidant and antihypertensive properties. 1. Reishi mushrooms. Reishi mushrooms are not only delicious but also useful for pancreatic health. In fact, these mushrooms have been utilized in traditional Chinese medicine for thousands of years. These mushrooms contain potent anti-inflammatory compounds that can reduce inflammation and swell around the pancreas. Reishi mushrooms are also highly rich in phytochemicals known as beta-glucan polysaccharides and trypsins. Phytochemicals are potent antioxidants that prevent free radical damage to the body, thus reducing the risk of several cancers, including pancreatic cancer. These mushrooms can prevent cancer cells from invading where they do not belong. Their extracts can even lower blood sugar levels by inhibiting an enzyme used by the liver to produce glucose. Actually, the pancreas is a broad, tubular sponge-shaped gland 15 centimeters long. This organ is placed in the upper abdomen and back of the stomach. It secretes enzymes to help digest proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. If you want to have a healthy pancreas, you should eat these useful nutrients that nourish and maintain the function of the pancreas and take care of this vital organ. Because the pancreas is tied to your digestive function, it's influenced by what you select to eat. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.